What's up, freaks? Your pal out here, and today we are out at Animal Kingdom to meet up with the Mickey Bunch and to see some sights, animals, and some Mr. Gonzos. And of course, my pal. State your name, son.
Sam.
Sam. I like to have everybody always state their name. Makes them feel like they're important. Anyway, without further ado, let's freak out.
Please stand clear of the doors.
Mickey Bunch! Yay!
Oh, you freak! What's up, baby?
What's up?
Good to see you, man.
Very good to see you guys, man.
So good to see you.
You guys ready to party?
Let's get down.
Let's go.
Let's get freaky.
All right. We have a couple of black swans hanging out here, and they were going to dance for us and do some ballet, but I think they left their slippers at home, so I'm sorry, guys.
My dad.
The wilderness must be explored. I know I said a lot of things about this place in the past, but to tell you the truth, because of all these other YouTubers, this place is really starting to grow on me. I'm really starting to dig it. Get it? Dig it because Dino? It didn't go over well. Hey, we still got Donald's Dino Bash going on here, so at least that's something. Huh? This dinosaur right here, as you can see, is on an extreme diet. Not recommended. But there are results. It's a party. In fact, it's a party with a whole bunch of copyrighted music. Let's rock. Alright, enough dancing around and having fun and getting crazy. We're going into darkness. We're going into Dinosaur. We're gonna get crazy.
Thanks to Dimensional Joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Secret, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself. But let's not talk about me, let's talk about you, and how you can help me make history today with the Time Rover. It's like this. If I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period, it stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you. And not just any dinosaur. Take a look at this guy. He's an iguanodon, and I'm certain that he is the key to understanding these magnificent creatures. Right now, our dino should be about here, at the very end of the Cretaceous period. That's where you're going today.
I've arrived, it seems, just in time to correct a little misstatement.
Dr. Marsh.
That is impossibly close to the giant asteroid impact that destroyed most life forms on Earth.
Mr. Gonzo.
What's up, man?
You ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Sam?
You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's freak out.
Let's freak out!
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, wrap it on and on, and get out with an asteroid here. Let's roll. Okay, now let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning. Meteor shower in range.
Just little one. Oh, head-wheel drive.
Meteor surge.
Holy crap.
We survived, brother.
Yeah, welcome to. Sure. Feel real welcomed. That was rough. So what'd you think about that?
I really liked it. You know, we talk about one-ups like Harry Potter and whatnot. The animatronic in that, the Navi, was, you know, a one-up for sure.
Oh yeah,
over
absolutely.
Universal.
Yeah, they really
I loved it.
They put a lot of work into that animatronic stuff, especially here at Disney.
Yeah, you know, really crazy.
Well, that's it for Florida Preacher. Had a great time. Thank you, Mickey Bunch, MrGonzoPR, and of course, the ever-loving Sam. What's life like without Sam? I don't want to know. But what I do know is this. We've had our freak out. Now it's time to pass out. We'll see you real soon.
See ya.
Boom. I'm gonna be famous on them YouTubes.